Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a navigation or menu for your online store. This will become most important once we start designing the online store. So here is a demo store just to demonstrate what our menus are navigation. As you can see here on the top we have home. So we have to take order, facts and contact. This is the main menu for this online store. Alright, if we scroll down at the bottom, you can see right here a menu about the cost limit policy, shipping policy, privacy policy, term of service. This is the footer menu. Alright, so the footer menu is the menu that we find at the bottom of the website. The main menu is the menu that we find at the top of the website. To start creating the menu or navigation, simply go to your Shopify dashboard and then click on your online store. After this, you have to go to the navigation menu. If I already have created the main menu or a footer menu, but we need to modify it. So first I will modify the main menu. So we have the home, which is home. Obviously, if you click on home, it will take you to a home menu. Next thing we have a catalog. I want to always send this to the Shopify, and this Shopify is linked to all the products. So when you click on this Shopify, it will take to the see all the product. Alright, apply changes, and then next thing I want to add the track the order. Let's link this to this place we created. This menu will do track order. Alright, so we go here, go to the basic, and we link these to drag order. Alright, but in case you ship only within your city or your country, you can use particular logistic. They have their own tracking base. You may want to link it to your tracking place, but for this particular course, we created a drug order base which is suitable for most courier logistic. We are linking it to that drug order page right here. Alright, so I'm just going to click on add. I want to move this up right here. Right above the content, and I also want to add the facts right here. Adapt facts which are going to link into the fact store. We are going to link it to the fact pages we created. Just link it like that and click on add. And I want to move this fact page right above the content. So for the main menu, we have the order, facts and content. After that, I am going to click on save. So after creating the main menu, I will go back and let's now create a footer menu. So now we have to go to the footer menu. I want to remove this search menu because it is not important. We already have the search bar on the top. So let's start by adding a bulk about us, and then we will link it to the bulk of spaces we created about, and then I am just going to delete this search because I don't want it here. And after about, you want to add a refund policy. For this refund policy, you have to go to this policy, not the basic menu. Alright, so here in the policy, you click on that, then you select your refund policy, and it done. Now we have our footer menu as well. I just click on save. In case you want to add more on this menu, you can do it here in the footer menu or the main menu, entirely up to you. You can also have more than one menu. So here in the footer menu, here in this demo website, you can see we have only one menu, but you can add one more on this right side or the left side. If you want to add one more menu, you can simply create in Shopify. Here is this menu. You can always create a new menu by clicking on add menu. Alright, and to actually add the menu here, that will come when we design the online store. That will be the video lesson when we design the online store. Alright, so you have the option if you want to add the more menu. That it is, my friend. That is how simple and easy to create the menu or navigation in Shopify. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friend, and subscribe the YouTube channel Get E-commerce for more future updates. I will see you guys in my next video.